Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cut this amazing short pant perfectly. If you are just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video you'll be notified. So let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw a straight line for my starting point. And after drawing the straight line, I'm going to apply my length measurement, and also I'm going to deduct 2 inches for the waistband. So I'm going to deduct 2 inches from my length measurement for the waistband. So the length of this shirt is 21 inches, so I'm going to add extra 1 inches for 1 inch for the hemming allowance. So after that, I'm going to connect the marked area together. So I'm going to be using my hip measurements to cut my waist because the shirt is not going to have zip, and if I use my actual waist measurement it will be very difficult to pass through the hips area, but with the use of my hip measurement it will pass through the hips area freely down to the waist line, and I'm going to attach an elastic band to the waist area. So my hip is 38 divided by 4, it will gives me 9.5, so I'm going to mark 9.5 here. And also for the crouch measurement, I'm going to divide my hip as well by 4, which is 9.5. So I'm going to mark 9.5 for my crouch depth as well. So I'm going to connect it to the waistline like this. And I'm going to add extra 2.5 inches for the crouch cuff. So I'm going to mark 10.5 inches here. So I'm going to connect it to the crouch area. So I'm going to cut out the front part. So if the pocket of this shirt is going to reside at the side seam, I'm going to mark 1 inches downward here, and I'm going to mark 6 inches for my pocket opening. But the pocket of this shirt is going to locate at the front part of the shirt. I'm going to place the front part on the remaining pattern, and I'm going to hold it down with seal tape or paper tape like this. And after that, I'm going to mark 1 inch upward at the crotch area for the back part of the shirt. And I'm going to connect it to the tips of the side seam area. And after that, I'm going to mark 2 inches from top to the bottom of the shirt. After that, I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the marked area together. So now I'm going to cut out the back pattern. So the next thing is to cut the pattern on the fabric. As you can see that I fold my fabric into 2, and I place the pattern paper of the front part on it, and I start cutting it out. So the material I'm using here is polyester material. So the next thing is to cut my pocket. As you can see that I double folded it, so I mark 7 inches here. I mark 7 inches for the width and 12 inches for the length. So now the inner net of the short, I'm going to cut it with the pattern as well. So but while cutting the net, the length of the net should be shorter than the actual length of the short. It will be 1 inch short. So while cutting it, I'll make sure that I fold the hem allowance. So I'm not going to add the hem allowance into the inner net. So as you can see, it has short 1 inch. I'm going to follow the same step to cut the back part as well. I'm going to be showing the sewing section in the next video, so don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.